Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down one of the most important concepts in trading, support and resistance. I'll show you what they are, how to identify them, and most importantly, how to turn support and resistance into a profitable trading strategy. Stay until the end because I'll also share some advanced techniques that professionals use, like combining support and resistance with fair value gaps or inverse fair value gaps, breaker blocks, and order blocks. What is support and resistance? At the core, support is where price often stops falling and bounces up. It acts like a floor. Resistance is where price often stops rising and pulls back down. It acts like a ceiling. Now let's see some examples of support and some examples of resistance. How to identify strong levels. Here's how you find powerful support and resistance zones. Multiple rejections. The more times price rejects a level, the stronger it is. Swing highs and lows. Mark clear highs and lows. Price should react cleanly to these points. Level flip or role reversal. Support can become resistance after a breakdown, and resistance can become support after a breakout. 4. Use higher time frames. Daily or 4-hour levels are more reliable than short-term ones. When you combine these methods, you will spot levels that traders really care about. Now I want to introduce some of our products on our sales page on MQL5. Here we have converted most popular indicators from TradingView to MetaTrader 5 or MQL5 language, and you can easily download them with affordable price. Also, you can have a demo, you can test them, and after that, you can buy them. If you don't know how to buy or purchase these products on MQL5, we have another video that I will put the link on the top right of the page. So now let's talk about trading strategies. The first strategy is bounce trading, that you wait for price to touch support or resistance, confirm rejection, enter in the opposite direction, and place a stop loss beyond the level. The second strategy, breakout plus retest. If price breaks a level, wait for it to retest the same zone. When support turns into resistance, or vice versa, enter in the direction of the breakout. Third strategy, support and resistance plus candlestick patterns. Wait for price to reach your zone. Look for reversal candlestick patterns like bullish engulfing at support or bearish engulfing at resistance, a hammer or pin bar, or even a shooting star. Enter after candle close. Stop loss should just be beyond the level. And the fourth and last strategy, it's advanced support and resistance plus smart money concepts. First, you should combine your support and resistance with levels like fair value gaps or inverse fair value gaps to filter high probability entries. Then you can filter, then you can combine with breaker blocks to confirm liquidity shifts and even with order blocks to identify institutional buying or selling zones. This gives extra confluence and increases win rates. Okay, in this example, you can see that after a big fall, price touched this level again and again pulled back, and this is a confirmation. And after you see this big green candle here, you can enter the market. As you can see here, the risk reward ratio is more than 2, and we have two confirmations, one here and one other is the candle that is for the second strategy. All right, for the second example, you can see that I've zoomed in a little bit on the chart here, and this candle is a doji, Okay, that candle is a doji, and with confirmation on the next candles, that green candles, you can enter the market. Risk reward is 1 to 2, and there are a lots of similar setups on the chart if you check 1 minute, 5 minute, or 15-minute charts. All right, here we have another example from strategy number 4, which involves a combination of an FVG, a resistance level, and also a bearish engulfing pattern as the price pulls back. Now let's talk about a few tips to trade S and R like a pro. Don't mark every tiny reaction or focus on the measure levels. Second, combine support and resistance with volume, RSI, or MAs for stronger signals. Third, always place stops just beyond the level to avoid noise. And fourth is simplicity wins. Strong levels are better than messy chart. And that's how you can turn support and resistance into a complete trading strategy, from the basics to advanced techniques with smart money concepts. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite way to trade support and resistance. Check the description for links to our indicators and more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.